Alright everybody, this is going to be an unboxing of the Janome HD3000, the black edition. So this is obviously the color black for the sewing machine, and let's hope that that's what it is. So it's pretty heavy, just so you know. Comes with an instruction booklet. We'll put off to the side here. And one in en français. It's coming with some quilting attachments. This one, the black edition, comes with like the extra walking foot, which is really good. These are the attachments that come with it, all the accessories, I should say. Comes with some bobbins, a seam ripper, and the feet, some tools, some needles, a bunch of bobbins. This is the lid that it comes with. Nice black with a little white thing on the top there. And there is the machine. It's a very nice looking machine, if I do say so myself. So this is the presser foot. I'm going to open that up. So it comes with the one cord, attached one for the foot and then one to go into the wall. It has all the settings for the different stitches. And this is the reverse button. Alright, so this opens up. It's got the foot for the button. I'm going to be putting all the accessories in there. So I'm going to get this set up and then I'll be back.